In the digital age, every business is racing to grow faster, run leaner, and decide with sharper precision. But the more you grow, the more your operations fragment. Every function on its own tool, data scattered everywhere. We believe technology should remove that complexity, not pile onto it. That's why we built Peram software. Peram software brings 3 flagship applications into one integrated ecosystem, united by a single vision. Peram Nexus is your command center. It orchestrates a whole team of AI agents on a live office map, draws the connections between them in real time, and keeps every expense in check with transparent 4-tier cost control. Peram Remote keeps distributed teams in sync. It connects every person one by one, opens a live conversation the moment they come online, and tracks work rhythm and timesheets automatically. Always privacy first. Peram Talent reads every resume with AI. It maps each candidate's skills onto a hexagon profile, scores their fit against the role as a live percentage, and surfaces your best match in seconds. Behind Peram software, the numbers speak. 3 flagship applications, over 300 automated tests, and AI woven into every workflow. What sets us apart isn't just features. Your data lives on your own infrastructure, independent, secure, fully in your control. Peram software, where business vision meets engineering depth. Peram software, building software for modern business. Let's begin the journey together.